Luna Classic holders, this is a big deal. And when I say this, you're probably going to be like, no, it's not. It's not that big of a deal. What are you talking about? Well, I'm going to tell you why it's a big deal because I've seen this story play out before. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to relate this to Shiba Inu. Of course, Shiba Inu was the first crypto I ever covered on this channel. I watched this community bring this thing from the ashes to something spectacular. And we're starting to see that happen with the Luna Classic community. And what happened so many times within Shiba Inu's history since I started covering Shiba Inu way back in 2021 is this. We go through these periods where we go parabolic, right? We just absolutely insane. There's all this hype, there's all this excitement. And then what? It slows down. We get a sell off. But the big thing that we have to focus on, what happens after the sell off? Consolidation. Why is consolidation so important? Well, what I saw from the Shiba Inu chart so many times, the longer that consolidation period, which let's talk about that for a minute. What is a consolidation period? Well, it's actually a period that basically the buyers and sellers, the bulls and bears, have agreed on a price. They basically said, okay, we're done fighting, right? The buyers and sellers are basically saying, okay, we've reached a stalemate. We're going to just hang out here for a while. Why is that important? Well, it gives clarity to potential investors, right? And what we're seeing right now in Luna Classic is we're consolidating in this 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 range. Sometimes we pop up into the threes briefly, but for the past 7 days, we have been trading sideways. And I like that. While it may be boring to some, you can't go up and up and up forever. You can't. And we haven't given back all of our gains. Of course, this rally that we're speaking of started way back in August, in late August. It's been a little over a month now. August 20th is when we started rallying. And of course, we did dial back from the all-time highs, local highs here that we set back on September 18. And since that time, though, we came down a little bit and now we're consolidating. Here, let me show you what I mean here. Let me pull this up. So here's what I'm talking about, right? This sideways action right here, this is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days now in a row. Now, we are trending down in the last 3 days, but as long as we can hold the line here, stay within the 2.7 range. We have the burns working. We have a crypto market that is pretty flat right now. All it's going to take is one catalyst to push us back to these highs that we saw back on September 8th. So while consolidation might feel boring at times and you're like, what's happening? It's not going up anymore. Two things you don't want. You don't want a chart that just goes up and up and up and up and up forever, because eventually what goes up that high and that fast comes down that fast. You don't want the other way either, right? You don't want a big sell-off all at once, which we haven't got that. Again, people took profits, healthy profits. I think everybody should consider doing so in any asset they're in. And now we consolidate. So this is a big deal. I like it. It shows that buyers and sellers have agreed on a price and we've reached a stalemate, and we still have tremendous gains in the last month, 372% to be exact. That's what I've got for you here in the video. Make sure you hit the like button, share this out with a bunch of friends here in the Lunatics community. Also, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you all in the next video.